Calculating section properties of Girder, using Staad Pro and Excel sheets. In this session, a total of 4 Excel sheets are required. Let's open each of them. These include exterior girder sheet, interior girder sheet, non-composite girder sheet, and section properties sheet. First of all, we will enter the various dimensions of girders as inputs in non-composite girder Excel sheet. Now open Staad Pro software. Create a new file and set the units to millimeter. Now go to Tools tab and click Create User Table. Under Section Type, select General and click OK. Now click Add New Property and activate the Define Profile polygon. Now copy nodes from non-composite Excel sheet. Paste it in Staad Pro dialog box. Give a name to section and click on Compute Section Properties. Now copy various properties like area, moment of inertia and section modulus from Staad Pro software and paste them in respective red highlighted cells in non-composite tab of Section Properties Excel sheet. After copying the required properties from Staad Pro to Excel sheet, take a screenshot and paste it in your Excel sheet. This will be used in later stages while you are making a report for the design calculations of the bridge. Now enter the various dimensions as inputs in Excel sheet of interior girder. Copy the node's coordinates and paste it in Staad Pro as done previously. Similarly, copy the various sectional properties from Staad and paste them to respective red highlighted cells in Interior tab of Section Properties Excel sheet. Lastly, perform the same steps for the exterior girder. Finally, go to the Summary tab of Section Properties Excel sheet to get the sectional properties of the girder, which will be subsequently used in design of bridge. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. For more details, visit our Facebook page Build Tech Consultants Private Limited, www.facebook.com/buildtechpack.